we get some official looking renders of Edge 60 Fusion. This will be the most affordable device in the Edge 60 stable, with a rumored price in Europe of €350. Motorola Edge 50 Fusion in cyan, blue, and pink color options. The phone has volume rocker and power button at the right side. The Edge 60 Fusion is seen with a curved display panel on the front. The screen is surrounded by thin bezels on all sides, and there is a centerline punch hole cutout. It will likely have an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The Edge 60 Fusion will be available in 8GB plus 256GB RAM and storage configurations. The most noticeable change from the predecessor model is that the upcoming offering will come with 3 cameras, a 50MP main camera using Sony's Lisha LYT700 sensor, a 13MP ultrawide, a 32MP selfie camera, 5500 mAh battery unit with support for 68W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.